everybody. Hi, I'm Syed. Today I'm over here to speak about Vedic Maths. In the previous video, I have given you the introduction of Vedic Maths. In today's video, let us take few examples on Vedic Maths. So today's topic will be on multiplication. So let us take few examples on multiplication. So let us try to see multiplication with nines. So if you want to multiply, say your 43 is being multiplied by 99. So how to multiply this using Vedic Maths? So you have a shortcut technique to actually multiply these numbers. The first step is just try to subtract 1 from this 43. How much you'll be getting? You'll be getting 42. And then you just try to subtract 9 minus of 4. So 9 minus 4 will be 5. Then 9 minus of 2 will be 7. And hence we see that 43 multiplied by 99 will be 4257. Is it simple? Very simple. Let us try another example. 54 multiplied by 99. So what is the first step? You need to just subtract 1. So we have subtracted 1. How much will be getting? 54 minus of 1 will be how much? 53. Now subtract it. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 9 minus 3 will be 6. So 54 multiplied by 99 is how much? 5346. Right? It's very simple. Let us try another example. 73 multiplied by 99. What is the first step? Subtract 1. How much will be getting? 72. Now again 9 minus 7 will be 2. 9 minus 2 will be 7. Therefore 73 into 99 we get it as 7227. Is it very simple? Now let us try to increase the number of digits. Suppose if you have 3 digits, 323 multiplied by 999. Can you see over here? 3 digits is multiplied by 3 digits. What is the method? You need to subtract 1. So if you subtract 1, 323 minus of 1 is how much? 322. Now again subtract 9 minus of 3 is 6. 9 minus of 2 is 7. 9 minus of 2 is again 7. Therefore we have got the answer 322677. Is it very simple? Let us take another example. 437 multiplied by 999. What is the first step? Subtract with 1. So how much will be getting? 436. Again now subtract 9 minus of 4 is 5. 9 minus of 3 is 6. 9 minus of 6 is 3. The answer is 436563. Very simple. Suppose if you increase still more number of digits, then what happens? Let us see. 7343 is multiplied by 999 and 9. So what is the first step? Subtract with 1. How much will be getting? 734. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Now try to subtract. 9 minus of 7 is 2. 9 minus of 3 is 6. 9 minus of 4 is 5. 9 minus of 2 is 7. That's the required solution. Is it very simple? If you try to use a normal multiplication, it takes a lot of time, but using this technique you can just solve it very quickly. So let us take another example. Four three seven one multiplied by 9999. So subtract 1. So if you subtract 1, how much you'll be getting? 4370. Now again, 9 minus of 4 is 5, 9 minus of 3 is 6, 9 minus of 7 is 2, 9 minus of 0 is 9. That's the required solution. Getting it? Now can you try a few more examples? I'll just leave this as a challenge for you to solve the problems. So first challenge is 54 multiplied by 99. The next challenge is 348 multiplied by 999. The next challenge is 4789 multiplied by 9999. Complete this challenge and put your answer in the comment box. As of now, that's all I have for today. Thank you.